Hey guys, my name is Ajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so now let's move on to the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. Here is the phone. As you can see, I had the phone for quite some time now, so you might see some pre-installed apps already. Anyway, let's move on to the other things in the box. There's nothing much now since Apple has removed some stuff, and here is a charger. You can even get the MagSafe charger, but I didn't get that. And here is the you can insert the pin in the phone with this. Let me just remove it one sec. Okay, here is the thing. It's pretty small. I don't know if my GoPro can focus. Anyway, here is the Apple logo. That's pretty much it for the box. These are all just paperwork and stuff. The charger, like I said before. And now let's move on to the phone. As I said before, there will be pre-installed apps, and the part where when you get the new iPhone, it says hello and stuff, but I didn't do that since I already had the phone for quite some time. Now let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna test the camera of the iPhone 12. This is the video mode in the iPhone 12 Pro. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay, now here are some of the photos I took in portrait mode. I really actually like this mode a lot. I like the portrait mode because it blurs everything at the back. And the next photo is the worst one which I've ever taken, and yeah, I just don't like the black background. Anyway, here I like this, but not with the black background. And here looks like I have a green screen behind me. This is a cool new thing Apple has added. It looks so funny. One sec. Yeah. So there's so many things I can choose from, like this. In my mouth actually moves at the same time. So this is very cool. I really like this app. It's called Clips. Here, this one right here. And it looks nice. It looks funny at the same time. I really like this app. Oh, I did not know you could do this. So if you guys want a video like this, write it in the comment section below. A cool thing I forgot to tell you guys was that this iPhone can stand on itself. Like, let me show you. How is this possible? And that's pretty much it for the unboxing, and I'm going to tell you some more stuff. Here are the volume buttons right here, and you have the phone, and we have metallic sides, and this is the Pacific blue color. Kind of looks like the midnight blue of the iPhone 11, I'm guessing. And yeah, here's where the charger goes, the metallic sides. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.